It's English time! Hello kids, this is Teacher Vanilla and welcome to our phonics online learning. By the way kids, could you still remember our lesson last Monday? Great! It's about vowel letters. Can you name the vowel letters? Good job! It's A, E, I, O, and U. How about our lesson today, kids? Can you guess what is our lesson today? Okay, our lesson today is to identify what are the consonant letters of the alphabet. So kids, are you now ready to learn what are the consonant letters of the alphabet? So come on and let's learn together. Consonants. The letters, except vowels, are called consonants. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet. These are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So kids, these are the 21 consonants in the English alphabet. Let's review. Hello kids! Can you tell me which is the consonant letter here? Is it E or R? Think. Good job! It's letter R. R is a consonant letter. How about this? Can you tell me which is the consonant letter here? Is it F or I? Great! It's letter F. F is a consonant letter. Another one. Can you tell me which is the consonant letter here? Is it U or K? Amazing! It's letter K. K is a consonant letter. Good job! So now kids, to help us remember more our consonant letters, I want you to watch this video. Kids, we learned that in English alphabets, there are 21 consonant letters. And these are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Good job, kids! Now it's activity time. Kids, I gave you worksheets for you to answer this activity. You are going to color the apple red using your crayon. Color the apple red that has a consonant letter on it. It's super easy, right? Now it's your time to answer the activity. And don't forget to share your work to me in Seesaw. Bye, kids!